What do you do after you've got all those documents that I have taken care of for you? Well, I have drafted them, I've designed them, you've executed them, you've signed them, and then what? Like I said, most attorneys stop here because they've done their job. That's your estate plan. That's your life and legacy plan. Well, the problem is that life happens. Your family is going to change. The dynamics are going to change. You're going to change a job. You're going to in and out of a state. You're going to have an IRA account or a 401k account that may just, or a real estate property that you want to invest in. You have a life, my friends, and it is not static. And the same way, your estate plan cannot be static. It has to move with your plan, and so with your life and all the things that you do with it. And so what you need to make sure, like I said, the trust is funded and stays funded. Now, a lot of people ask me, when you create a trust, what happens? Do we lose control over it? Well, no, you don't. As long as it's a revocable living trust and you're alive, you are the sole trustees and the beneficiaries of this trust. You can take things in and out of it, just like you have a cart and you are in a grocery store and you put cans in and out of that cart. Until you check out, which means you're gone from this world, you have full flexibility over those assets. That is called a revocable trust. The nice thing is that cart is what you then give to your successor trustee that you have appointed, the person you trust, and that person is now going to hold on to that cart and distribute things from that cart to your beneficiaries, your loved ones. And that is my job. My job after I have given you that cart. What have I done the day you have executed all your documents? I have made you the cart. I may have even put some things in it. I may have had your trust actually own your primary residence. But you have to make sure you continue putting things in that trust, in that cart. And if you need to take things out of it, you need to know how to do it. Although it will be very, very simple to do it, but you still might need guidance, and that's where I come in. So after the trust is created, I give you a couple of weeks, and then we talk again, and then I give you 6 months, and then we talk again, and I give you a year, and then we talk again. And no, that's not just my responsibility. You need to reach out too. I will be talking to you. I will be sending you newsletters. I'll be sending you emails. I'm going to be like, how is your trust funding going? How many of your assets are still outside? How many of them are in the trust? Do you need help? And you're going to tell me yes or no. I generally don't do trust funding as an additional cost because it's a pain, but it needs to be done. I make sure you do it. And the day you tell me I can't do it, please do it for me, I'll gladly do it because I know that's what's important. But I just want you to know I give you the chance to do it and I follow up with you. You don't just get full security. You don't get a bunch of fancy documents just lying around there and you think everything's all done. You get a lawyer that you can call at any time, a team that you can call and ask questions. You get me to tell you what to do so that on the day you die, if I'm not there, I have another lawyer already set up. I have a full organization that will know what they need to do. I have a platform that's online that's not going to die with me dying, that you can access the documents for. And you have a roadmap, and your loved ones have a roadmap. And that roadmap is really important because you know exactly where you're going and you know what's going to happen, whatever life gives you, whether it's death, disability, incapacity. And we discuss that, not just when you come in and you leave, but after. We discuss that with your family. We make sure that I meet your children, if that's what you want me to do. We have family meetings. But we do not just leave you with a bunch of documents. Those are not worth much if you don't know what's in it and what you planned. And if you think at this point, after seeing all these videos, that you have a plan that is perfect, you know exactly what's in it, you know all your assets are in it, you know what is going to happen the day you die, well, then you don't need me. And I am happy for you. But if you have any kind of dissatisfaction and you do not know or you're not sure 100% if your family will be protected, if your assets will be preserved, and you have no idea how your legacy is actually transferring from one generation to the other, well, you need an attorney like me. You don't need me. You need an attorney who knows how to handle that and give you that peace of mind that you've done the right thing. And if you want to come to me, well, I just told you what my process is and what you're going to get. So take the next step. Either go to an attorney that you trust and like, make an appointment, get started, or get that questionnaire, request the questionnaire, say I'm ready to get that life and legacy session, and then come meet me for the 1 to 2 hours and get started so that you know at the end of 4 to 6 weeks, you are set, at least with the cart, and you are set for as long as you want with guidance. with the security of knowing that you can ask questions, and the person that you've just given all those documents, you're not just going to lose that. You do have guidance. You have a platform, you have guidance, and you have a person who cares to make sure that your family is protected. That's what you want? It's easy. Just make that first step. Call me, make an appointment, and my call to action button is right on my homepage, notanilaw.com. All you have to do is book a call. And if you want, you can even just text or call my number, 972-814-8620, and say, I'm ready for that Life and Legacy session. Just send me the questionnaire. I'm good. You are a good fit for me. I know I'm a good fit for you after hearing all of these. And if that's the case, we'll just do that. Well, my friends, that is the end of my sequence of videos. And if you have just one thing you want to learn from any of this, one thing that you want to take away, and that one thing would be to not procrastinate. I have seen too many times, too many people wait, and it is too late. It is too late if you're incapacitated and don't have capacity to sign those documents. It is too late if you're dead. Unfortunately, you're gone. And nobody can predict that day. Nobody. I wish they could. There are two things I can't predict. One, when you're going to die, and one, what the tax rates will be when you die. So we need something that we can account for, that you can feel that sense of security and peace of mind with. Looking forward to seeing you soon. You take care. Bye-bye.